What's up, everybody? Just here at Walmart early morning, and then check out what I found. Well, it looked like someone already been through it, but is this mix 4 or mix 5? I'm gonna guess it's mix 5. I'm not exactly too sure, but you guys will let me know in the comments. So, first of all, we got Fast 5, the Nissan. These are $1.27. Sam gave me the heads up they might be out, so boom, they are out. From the original Fast and Furious. These just hit the shelves here in Arizona today. And then this one opens the hood, I guess. Yeah, I think it might. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does. But the Fate of the Furious 61 Impala. Red with that white interior. Thing is nice. Really nice. Really nice. Let's see, what else do we got? This is 4 out of 6. The 70 Monty from Tokyo. What does that make? Let's see, 1, 3, 5, 4, 6. Number 2 then would be the RX-7 from Fast and Furious. Nice. The wheels are okay, but again, $1.27, which makes this really, really good. I think we got them all, actually. Yep, that's all. That's all of them. I don't see another one of this. But let me see if there is. The Grand National Buick. I don't see another one. I mean, you guys could read the names there. Oh, here's another one. This one. Dang, so there's 2 of them per case. But look at that thing. Man, you do some wheel swaps on this. Oh, there's a third one. But that's gonna make that. Let's see, what else did I see here? They got the gumball. We already got these. But if you haven't checked them out, well, here they are. If you haven't, the Impreza Gumball 3000. A Toy Story truck, Toyota, which is like a 86 or something. Single cab. That's pretty neat, man. Even the wheels go good with it. I don't know. And the Aston Martin. The wheels on this thing are badass. Let's see here, the Deadpool, which I wasn't too big on the movie, but I know a lot of you guys love that stuff, so there it is. I'm not sure what's on the other panel. But we already got those. So that's this. This is nice. I seen a lot of customs being done to this one, the 75 Caprice. And then look at that. The Camaro anniversary. Yeah. And a good one here too, the Mercedes. Look like they got a bunch of a new match. Well, not new, but regular Matchbox. New old Matchbox. How about that? Yeah. This is a lot of it. Little black dogs in it. There's a pink one of this from earlier sets with the white dogs in it, but this one has the black dogs in it. And one that is super popular, the Charger. But I think I got one. 5-pack. Let's see what else. What else? This one's really cool outside of the blister, man. But yeah, look at that thing. So it's been slow lately, but we got those in. I think I got a few of these ones. I completed this whole set for my little nephew. The working rigs. Check out the video from a while back on this one. Let's see what else is here, man. Oh, this one's new, I think. The black logo with the Coca-Cola red and black Skyline. I think I'm gonna get this for Sam, actually. I haven't got him nothing in a while, but that one's neat. Look at that. Look at the back. The front. 17. If it said 19, he would be pooping bricks, man. I don't know, is this the same one? Oh, this is just the regular Bluebird. Look at that thing, though. The glare's throwing the camera off. Man, these are really neat. Because we have the one that has the white, you know, the white and red. But I think these are new with the black and red. But the Fair Lady, that one's okay. I really do like the car in real person, but it doesn't really win me over with this one. But I think that's it for now. And then we might as well throw this in there, just because I like that, the bus. That one's really cool, man. And then I'll give the rest of them to my little nephew. He would like, he's gonna like the bus and the tow truck. I just want that. And then they got the small scale fast. Nothing else down here that catches my eye except for this right here. The black. All black. And it has the Corvette. If that is a Corvette. But a few. The M2, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy there. Yeah, so that's it for me. Unless they got some new. That'd be crazy if this was a super. Hey, I was here I almost missed this. Jada. The 20th anniversary. Yeah. Oh man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. 51 Mercury. This is a Chevy Camaro. Oh, dang, man. And they all got that 20th badging on it, man. Oh, wow. What? This is neat. Some div cruiser. Corvette Stingray. They all got that like Samac silver color. Man, I can't believe I almost missed this. Oh snap! Look at that thing. Nice. They all got like that orange tint on the glass. See, like red, orange. A 93 Mazda. This one's pretty neat. Look at that tow truck right there. 55. Oh, this one even got like the plastic on it still. Man, what? Let's see what else I can find here. The Volkswagen Bug. This one wants to come home today. This is a 300Z or 350Z. My bad. Because of that. Here's a closer look at the Stingray. So be on the lookout for these in the stores, man. Look at that 58 Impala. Dang. That one's pretty neat, actually. I like that one too. Ooh. Look at this right here. A 72 Chevy. Dang. That's wild, man. There's two of them only. Out of all these cases, there's only two of these. Chevy. There's like 2 or 3 of these tow truck. Trying to see if there's something else over here. Police, Mazda, and a Impala. I just gotta be careful with the packaging. Look at that thing. Look at how low that is. 20th anniversary on the wheels. I mean the tires. Oh man, I'm definitely gonna need a cart. All right, so I didn't show the back on each one, but I guess all the little tabs collect the mosaic. Dang. So yeah, each card that I showed, it has like a little mosaic. Now, I'm not sure that's all of them. I think there's one more or a few more missing. Okay. So I mean, those are all of them for now, but I mean, I can't really buy all the at $20 each, man. So for now, just the bus. Released in 2006. So yeah.